Maggie?
Good.
I'm going to make the chicken musseline now. Now, this could be easily adapted to salmon, whitefish as well, or even lobster. Okay, so first of all, we start off with the chicken.
Right.
That's diced chicken breast. And then we've got equal amount of cream that goes in there. This is a really, really classic French
Mousseline.
mousseline.
Sounds very fancy.
And we've got salt and pepper and a little bit, pinch of nutmeg, which goes really nicely with the mousseline.
And whether it's chicken or fish, it would go well.
It goes well, yes, yeah. And then we just blend this. We've got to make sure that it doesn't actually over blend because it gets too hot. So we'll just do this. And that looks about right. What do you think, Maggie?
Oh, it's as smooth.
No lumps whatsoever.
Yes.
If you were a little bit unsure if you could actually pass this through
a sieve or a
moule.
tammy if it was really big amount.
Okay. So now this there's one egg white that we've actually whisked. So we just fold this through.
Trying to keep some of the volume of the egg white.
That's right.
This is okay now?
That's perfect, Maggie. And I've pre-sprayed these with extra virgin olive oil and sprinkled a little bit of paprika. But you can also brush a little bit of jus on there, you know, gravy.
Particularly if it's chicken, I
yes.
think. Not so much.
This is fantastic too. Cold, you can actually turn this into a finger food.
So
now that we just divide this into bite size.
Can I be trusted to do this, or do you want to do it?
No, that looks great, Maggie. Now this one, you can reheat it, but it doesn't freeze at all because the egg whites just break down. So I'm just smoothing that over again, and I find it a lot easier using
baking paper.
Baking paper. So that's all ready to go. So we now put this into the oven. It's 100 degrees, or you can steam this as well. And it takes between 12 to 14 minutes until obviously the core temperature is over 80. So we're just popping that in there. Chicken's ready, Maggie. And I'll just take that. And you see how the paprika's on there? You could even brush it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil if you wanted to.
Well, I would want to, of course. Okay.
Bon appetit.
I'd be pleased with that.
That's good,
you
isn't
can
it?
serve that up to me. Thanks, Peter.